Hello, today we're going to be getting minigun and rivals and a 500 Duolingo streak. Let's go. So if I can get 2 eliminations into my next game, then I get a minigun, which costs 450 keys. I've stayed up so long for it. And after that, I'll do my Duolingo so I can get a 500 streak. I just need two eliminations here. If I can get that, I can get my minigun. There he is. Okay, that's one kill. So if I get another kill, I think I guarantee my minigun. Let me see. Yeah, I just got 3 keys. So I'm just gonna quit this match for you guys because you guys don't need to see it, and you can run anywhere. I don't really care. If we go back in, we can check, and I should have 450 keys. Okay, let me see. Yep, 450. So I've been wanting minigun for so long now, and I'm finally getting it. Oh my god, unlock.